Hey guys, my name's Ali and I am a data analytics manager working in Oslo, Norway. In this video, I want to share 5 habits which I think will make you a successful data analyst. The first one is a bit of a cliche, but I still want to mention it, and that is to never stop learning. As someone who wants to be a technology professional, or if you already are, you know how important it is to look back and look at what previous work you have done and then build on that, which means, you need to look at concepts, you need to keep refining your code, you need to keep learning new concepts, look at new solutions, engage in meetups, forums, just whatever you can do to stay up to date and keep that skill set sharp. The second habit I want to share is something that I worked on quite a lot with myself, and that is to ask a lot of questions and then be quiet and listen to the response that you get. Because I'm the kind of guy, when I ask a question and someone responds, then I want to start thinking about solutions. I want to start figuring it out. How can I solve this? And then, I've just learned over time that I need to just be quiet, and when they are done explaining, then it is my turn to talk. The third habit is more of a mindset and something that will come with time, but it is to constantly ask, is this good enough? What I have done so far, is this good enough? And when it is good enough, when it has solved the requirement that you were given or the task that you were given, then you have to get comfortable. You have to get into the habit of being able to let something go and say that this has improved the process so much that is more than good enough to be able to solve the requirement that I was given, because or else you can always keep iterating on it. The fourth habit is try to look beyond the technical aspect of the task. As a data professional, you will have to be able to look at the process, and then you will have to look at some technical stuff, and you're kind of the bridge between the business and the technical. Sometimes what someone is presenting to you as a requirement is something that shouldn't be solved technically. It might be a process. It can be how data is registered. It can be how data is gathered. It can be a lot of different things. But sometimes you have to look at the process, because you don't want to just deliver technical solutions which are just band-aid on bad processes. It will really elevate your value as someone who can understand the technical stuff, but also when you see something that you kind of like, okay, this doesn't sound like a good way of doing it this way, maybe we should fix something here so that we get a better streamlined process overall. The fifth and final habit is that you should get really involved in the business, and that is because better you know the business, the better you are going to be able to solve their tasks and requirements, and the more value you are going to have as a data analyst. You will deliver much better solutions, and you will build that domain knowledge, which will once again elevate your value as a data analyst at that company, but it will also instill a very healthy mindset as you try to progress in your career. So there you have 5 habits which I think will make you a successful data analyst. Let me know in the comment section which one you like the most. If you like this video, then give it a thumbs up. If you want to see more videos on data and analytics, then subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys in the next video.